Welcome class TYBSc. Myself VR Wagh, Assistant Professor from Department of Environmental Science, KTHM College, Nasik. I am going to conduct subject of Environmental Biotechnology first, which is paper code is ENV 306, and that first chapter is Environmental Biotechnology. Under that topic is meaning, necessity and scope of environmental biotechnology. First point in that introduction of the chapter. Environmental biotechnology in particular is the application of processes for the protection and restoration of the quality of the environment. Environmental biotechnology can be used to detect, prevent and remediate the emission of pollutant into the environment in a number of ways. Solid, liquid and gaseous waste can be modified either by recycling to make new product or by purifying so that the end product is less harmful to the environment. Replacing chemical material and processes with biological technologies can reduce environmental damages. All these are the different definitions of environmental biotechnology. The most important topic at the threshold of 21st century are the environment and biotechnology. Environmental biotechnology can be defined as the pair with environmental issues with the advances in biotechnology. It is concerned with the application biotechnology as an emerging technology in the context of environmental protection since rapid industrialization, urbanization and other development have resulted in a threshold clean environment and depleted natural resources. It is not a new area of interest because of some of the issues of concern are familiar examples of old technologies such as composting, wastewater treatment, etc. In its early stage, environmental biotechnology has evolved from chemical engineering, but later other disciplines like biochemistry, environmental engineering, environmental microbiology, molecular biology, ecology also contribute to environmental biotechnology development. Environmental biotechnology is the biotechnology that is applied to and used to study the natural environment. Environmental biotechnology could also imply one try to harness biological processes for commercial uses and exploitation. The International Society for Environmental Biotechnology defines environmental biotechnology is the element use and regulation of biological system for remediation contaminant in environments like land, air, water and for environment friendly processes like green manufacturing technologies and sustainable development. Environmental biotechnology can be described as the optimal use of nature in the form of plant, animal, algae, bacteria, and fungi to produce renewable energy, food, and nutrient in a synergistic integrated cycle of profit making processes where the waste of each process becomes the feedstock for another processes. Environmental biotechnology, in a particular, is the application of processes for the protection and restoration of the quality of the environment. Environmental biotechnology can be used to detect, prevent, and remediate the emission of pollutant into the environment in a number of ways, like solid, liquid, and gaseous waste can be modified either by recycling to make a new product or by purifying so that the end product is less harmful to the environment. Replacing chemical material and processes with biological technologies can reduce environmental damages. Environmental biotechnologies combine biology and engineering to develop and use processes that remediate contaminated sites. For example, there are a variety of microbes, fungi, and bacteria capable of consuming pollutant and breaking them down into the harmless components over time. Environmental biotechnologists identify, use, and develop appropriate microbes for remediate a particular area and the pollutant unique to it. Contaminated soil may be remediated on site or placed in container. Environmental biotechnology may also use plants to filter polluted in soil, water, or air, convert plants to biofuel, or develop more sustainable processes to prevent pollution. Then, what does environmental biotechnologies do? Then, what is their role? First one is convert plant into biofuels, create plant-based bioplastic, discover or engineer plants or microbe, optimize for processing environmental contaminant or for treating toxic waste or sewage, use geographic information system means GIS to map contaminated site and the distribution of pollutant, develop remediation plan for particular site that adhere to environmental regulation, create processes to turn waste to biogas or other cleaner energy sources, create cleaner industrial activities by replacing chemical with biological processes such as replacing chemical bleaching agent with biological enzymes. The development of multiple human activities in the sector of industry, transport, agricultural, domestic space, etc. have amplified the pollution of air, water and soil. Studies and researches demonstrated that some of these pollutants can be readily degraded or removed by means of biotechnological solutions. Advanced techniques are available to treat waste and degraded pollutant assisted by living organisms or to develop products and processes that generate less waste and preserve the natural non-renewable resources and energy as a result of the following points like improved treatment for solid waste and wastewater, bioremediation means cleaning up contaminant and phytoremediation, ensuring the health of environment through biomonitoring, cleaner production, manufacturing with less pollution or less raw material, energy from biomass, and genetic engineering for environmental protection and control. These are the basic introduction of environmental biotechnology. Next point in that chapter is key point of environmental biotechnology. So basically there are four key points of environmental biotechnology. First one is manufacturing processes, second pollution prevention or cleaner production, pollution control, and fourth one is waste management. In that, to detect the pollution and any other environmental changes by means of biosensor and biomonitoring, to prevent the unfavorable environmental changes in the manufacturing processes by substitution of traditional processes, to control and remediate the emission of pollutant into the environment. By considering all these issues, biotechnology may be regarded as a driving force for integrated environmental protection by environmental bioremediation, waste minimization, environmental biomonitoring, and biomaintenance. Next point, necessity of environmental biotechnology. First one, controlling environmental pollution through biodegradation by biotransformation, bioaccumulation of toxic compounds like organics, metal, oil and hydrocarbon, dyes, detergent, etc. Second one, production of non-conventional, non-polluting energy sources like biodiesel, methanol, bioethanol, biogas, biohydrogen, etc. Third one, agricultural application of biofertilizer and biopesticides. Recovery of resources from toxic or non-toxic waste through biotechnological approaches. And fifth one is pollution monitoring by using biosensor. Some form of environmental pollution has always existed and will continue to exist. It is only in the last 2 decades or so that we have found the concern for environmental pollution becoming more and more pervasive. From the past 2 decades, due to the direct or indirect human activities, there has been significant increase in the levels of environmental pollution. Presently, major sources of environmental pollution are industries, agricultural sources, anthropogenic sources. Anthropogenic sources means man-related activities mainly in urban areas, biogenic sources, etc. Global industrial explosion, which is intended to cater for the need of the world increasing population, is always associated with environmental pollution. The pollutants are chemical, biological and physical in nature. The chemical pollutant include gaseous pollutant like hazardous gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, volatile organic compound and particulates. Toxic metal, pesticide, herbicide and carcinogens etc. Heat, sound, radiation, radioactive substances are physical pollutant and pathogenic organisms, and some poisonous and dangerous biological products are biological pollutant. The time clearly is now to have a look at our technological capabilities to protect our environment. Today, biotechnology is being considered as an emerging technology in environmental protection. It provides alternative cleaner technology which will help to further reduce the hazardous environmental implications of the traditional technologies. Biotechnology helps in environmental protection by following actions. Next point in that chapter, scope in environmental biotechnology. Majority of environmental biotechnologies work in private industry for private companies which provide bioremediation services or environmental consulting companies. Many people get the job opportunities in research and development for biofuel firm. Some highly qualified professionals also get a chance to work in government sector for federal and state agencies involved in land management and restoration, such as the US Environmental Protection Agency. They are employed to conduct researches. The major field of environmental biotechnology, biofuel, bioremediation and agricultural biotechnology. Now we are discuss one by one. First one is biofuel. Biofuel are the fuels made from organic material. This industry is gaining a lot of importance due to the awareness of pollution and rapid change in the climate. The industry is still in a niche in India, but it grows well in abroad. This field seeks the graduate and master's graduate of environmental biologists, agricultural engineers, and scientists with a degree in biochemistry or microbiology. Second field is bioremediation. Bioremediation is a new concept of cleaning contaminated land with the help of microbes and bacteria. This field is completely a research oriented field where the biologist has to perform various test researches to see the outcome of cleaning using microbe. Third field is agricultural biotechnology. Agricultural biotechnology is environmental biotechnology with a huge focus on crop and farming. Agricultural biotechnology's aim is to research and test the crop by genetically modified them and make them sustainable to any kind of weather condition, pest and diseases. This is a broad field where every country needs the professionals to research on crop and produce genetically modified plant. The growth in this industry is very high. Other courses are related to the environmental biotechnology like PhD or the masters include like biostatistics, environmental analytical chemistry, soil fungal communities, biodegradation, bioremediation. Thank you.